Hello everyone, I am Adrija Bandopadhyay from IEMLabs and today I am going to tell about the number system conversion using Python. So as we know, in the number system there are four kinds of number system, which are decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. And the base or radix of decimal number system is 10. For binary number system it is 2. For octal number system it is 8 and for hexadecimal number system it is 16. So now let's see how we can convert from one number system to another. Here I am taking one variable. First I am taking a decimal number. To convert it from decimal to binary, here we have a built-in function in Python which is called bin, B-I-N. So now see, here is the result. For the same thing, to convert it into octal, we have to use the OCT. So here is the result. And here you can see there are two prefix, which is here 0 and O, for the binary which is 0 and B. So these are the very important to know what type of number system is this. Zero X for hexadecimal and it's C. Okay, so it is the conversion from decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. Now we will check the conversion from binary to decimal. Here also I am taking one value and we have to use this prefix. Here is our binary number. Two is our base or radix, base 2. So 54 is the decimal number for this binary number. Now let's change it to octal 0 O and change the octal number as suppose 5673. And we have to change the base here, which is 8 for octal. So this is the octal decimal number for this octal number. Now the last, let's work with the same value, and here the base is 16. So this is the decimal number for this hexadecimal number. So that's all for this session. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.